Hello, inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. I'm out having a little paddle and I'm doing something a bit different tonight. Now, have you ever been out in your inflatable boat and thought, do you know what, it'd be really nice to have a hot meal or to prep a hot meal while you're out in your boat? That's what I'm doing tonight, and I'm going to show you exactly how I've done it. And when I do, you'll go, I could have done that. Well, at least I hope you will, and I hope I don't end up I'm not going to pop the boat. Let's do this. So everything I need is in this bag here. So what's in my bag of tricks? This is going to be a bit embarrassing. There's somebody sat on that boat there. A bowl, because I'm not a heathen. So what I've got here is an MRE ration pack. And it comes with one of these bags that you can use to heat the food up with inside. It comes with all sorts of stuff actually. I'm definitely going to need one of these in a minute. This is a fortified energy drink, and I have got a flask of water with me too. Then it also comes with this. I just have to keep checking behind me just to make sure there's no river traffic. Pindi Chana Aloo. So I'm going to make this in the boat. So what you do is you take the pack, rip the top off. Apparently there's supposed to be a tear notch. There we go. Put that back in the rubbish, in the bag. That's a good start. The heating element has actually just torn a little hole in this bag, so I'm going to have to keep it that way around. And what you do is you fill it up with water up to that line there. Obviously I've not got a lot of working space. So, fill it up to that line with water. A little bit more. That looks about right. And then you lay this in the pack on top of the heat bag, and then lay this down. There is a seal. Take the little seal off and seal it shut, and then leave that for about 10-12 minutes to work its magic. I am going to rest it on my dry bag there because I don't want to risk it coming in contact with the boat while it gets hot, but we'll leave it on there for now. Now this is a 600ml flask, and I've tipped a bit out of there, and this energy drink is about 500. So I'll just tip a little bit more out, because at least then it makes it a bit more flavoursome, doesn't it? Peach iced tea, allegedly. Got to admit, I am thirsty. Been paddling for a little while. Right, this, again, rubbish, back in the bag. Oh, I just remembered, it does also come with this pack in the sundries spoon. And it's long handled, look at that. Oh, it don't fit in there though. Don't fit in very easily, let's give it a good stir. Do you know what, it's alright that. Certainly hit a spot. Hey, look at that. Can you see it steaming? That water underneath is, oh, it's getting really hot under there. Nice. About 10-12 minutes, I reckon. Ooh, that is bloody hot. It's like it's got a little vent. Anyway, while that heats up, you get all sorts in here. Sachets of tea and coffee, tissues and hand wipes. They're expensive for what they are, but... Right, so we've got some seed biscuits and... What's that one? strawberry jam. I thought I saw something else. Oh, there's a fruity snack pack, another energy drink, cookies and cream flavoured bar. Oh, I thought I saw some cheese sauce. I must have made that up. There's a boat coming, mixed fruit snack. Looks like it's crackers and jam to starter. I'm going to just straighten myself up a little bit. Alright, going to be a bit of a backwash here, bit of wake. Here we go. Woohoo! That's what you need when you're cooking your tea. Now the backwash. Well, the good start is a little bit broken. My God, these things are dry. You see that water bubbling? I'm just breaking into the jam. Oh, look at that. Makes these a bit more palatable. Anyway, you know I often ask you where you're having your coffee and so on, and where would you rather be having it? What about this? Dinner in the middle of a river. I mean, it doesn't get any cooler than this, does it? Surely not. Let's check see how lunch is cooking. Oh, do you know that's going to be ace. I'm really looking forward to this. It's just something a bit different, isn't it? I mean, do you know anybody that's done this? Do you know anybody daft enough? Oh look, a whole one. Not a bad start to this. Not wasting it. Into the rubbish. I think it's time for the main course. Yep, still really hot. So, pop that off. Doesn't feel hot, but it does feel warm. Oh, feels hot there. I'll just mix it around a little bit. You know, give it a squidge. Give it a squidge. Right, let's pop this off. Ooh, a lot of chickpeas. Well, it's steaming. Put that back into there. If I tip the water out, then that can go in the rubbish. Here we go. It is hot. So chickpea curry, hot chickpea curry, prepped in an inflatable boat on the water. What do you reckon to that, eh? Ever seen anything like that done before? Especially while slowly crashing into another boat. Tell you what, this tastes alright. It's definitely hitting a spot. Anyway, that's all for this little video. Just need to get away from that boat. You know what to do if you like what I do on this channel. Let me know in the comments what you think of this. Thanks so much for watching. You take care. Cheerio.